Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download iOS 16 12 beta 4. So let's get started. Wasting on time. First of all, open up Safari browser, search for betaprofile.com, scroll down, tap on install profile, tap on install, tap on allow, close it, go back, open up settings, tap on profile download, tap on install, enter your passcode, tap on install, again tap on install, tap on not now, tap on done, close this page, open up settings app. So as you can see, tap on general, tap on software update. So as you can see, iOS 16 12 beta 4 is showing. Install the iOS 16 12 beta 4. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.